It's me again, Rami, sa another adventure tayo for today. Pupaakit tayo ng bundok. Samahan niyo ko. This is our holiday today. It's a Friday. Tayo sa pinakamataas na peak, the highest peak here sa Hong Kong. Sa ano siya? Sa Tai Mushan. Sa may Chunwan. New territories din. So, guys. So dito kami sa terminal, sa Nina Tower Terminus. Sasakay kami ng bus number 51. Kasama ko si Ann at saka si Daddy na sa plato. Today is Shongyong Festival. Kaya holiday. Pupunta kami sa Tai Mushan, the highest peak in Hong Kong. Everybody are going to hike.
Tai Mushan is the highest peak in Hong Kong with an elevation of 957 above the sea level, located at the center of the New Territories. It is also an inactive volcano, and Tai Mushan is the most misty area because it's always covered in clouds. And during winter, the temperature raised to -6 degrees Celsius. This place was known for the famous green tea called mist or cloud tea. And also, it's a perfect place to pray. That's why they call it a prayer mountain. And today, they are celebrating the Chongyong Festival here in Hong Kong. That's why today is the Chongyong Festival. Pupunta kami ng bundok para umakyat at mag-pray. We are going to pray with all the Filipinos and Filipinas here in Hong Kong. So, this is the day when Hong Kong people climb up high mountains. Also clean their ancestor graves. Pumupunta din sila sa mga temples para mag-pray at kasama ang buong family. Not only that, they are preparing also the Chongyong cake. So, it's indeed for this festival. And together with that, they are drinking chrysanthemum wine and flying the kites. Karamihan na nagpa-participate at saka yung mga nagpapatipad ng mga papagayo is mga matatanda. Enjoy na enjoy sila.
Sakyan? Dito na kami! Hi! What? May sasakyan. Still walking. Wala pa kami dun sa peak. At super... ang daming tao. Super crowded. Super crowded. Si Ann, haggard na.
Haggard na ang niya. Mag-picture tayo. Ay, mag-selfie tayo. Ay, mag-anak.
Live.
Mag-retouch.
Amoy ano? Amoy clutch.
Ayan, dito na sila sa kain na, oh.
Kumakain ng iba.
Kumain na kaya tayo. Kumain na tayo, te.
Mamaya na.
Super aga pa. Gusto mo na kumain, daddy?
Ayan, maganda mag-picture pala dito.
Tara, picture tayo dito. Ako, te.
So during this Chongyong Festival, there's a lot of variety of traditional folk activities. I can say that I am so lucky kasi na-experience ko kung ano yung tradition nila dito. So, ngayon, andito kami sa taas ng bundok. Ang sarap ng feeling kasi worth it after ng maraming pagod. Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa taas ng bundok para mag-pray at para humiling. at magpasalamat sa lahat ng blessings.
Where's our bag, ate?
Nandun.
Yay!
This is the unforgettable experience kasi ang sarap ng feeling after mag-pray. Ang gaan sa pakiramdam and ang saya-saya, very exciting kasi almost 1,800 yung umattend ng prayer mountain.
Daming tao. Slide.
Thank you so much guys sa pagsama nyo sa akin sa journey na to. This is me again, Remizel. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and also comment na din po kayo. And until next time, thank you so much.